Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to repair a corrupt USB drive. Not like this, when you see clearly. Please insert the disk into removable disk. So you need to repair it. You see, if I remove it and then return it back, format, wait a bit. So it should ask you to format the drive. Now you see, if you format, Windows was unable to complete the format because it's corrupt. So you need to use a command to write cmd on your start window, then it is cmd. Then I want you to see how this happens. Now you write what we call a disk path, then you wait. You can only do this if you are an administrator on your computer. So this command prompt is found in both Windows 7 and Windows 10 and even Windows 8.1 operating systems. So disk path, then you write disk. Now you should find two disks. The first one is 0, which is 149, that's for the internal. Then the one you want to format is this 29 GB, which is not available here. So you need to select disk 1. Be careful when selecting, so select disk 1. When you have selected disk 1, then you detail disk to know more about the disk. So detail disk. Then you should find the volume here. The size is 0 because it's not available here. So you select this volume, select volume 6. Just select what you see and then you continue. You see, read only, no, now it can be formatted. Then you write create partition primary, in which you format, then you format. Now format recommended override, and then you want to be quick, so you write quick ahead of it. Quick because you cannot wait 0% to 100. Now you have to quick, then okay. Now you should see how this disk changes. Just wait. Awesome. Now you see the disk is now formatted. Then you write here exit twice, exit. You should see the disk is now open, 29.7 GB free. Now if you add something inside, let's say this song here, you add it inside, now it's accessible. So if I remove the disk and then I return it back, so you should find it fully okay. So song is there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.